Hello my beautiful people, how you guys doing today? Our health is important, guys, and if we're conscious enough to know that our car need oil change and our car needs service, we should be conscious enough to know that our body need service and our body need cleanse. Okay, we should be conscious enough for that. But I just want you to check out this video where I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my recipe. With this recipe, man, you could stand up against a lion and fight a lion. It make you strong like a lion. So please stay tuned, watch this video and just enjoy. All right, peace. Do it right. Take the extra steps and do it right. Okay? Cleanliness. We have to make sure everything has done clean. Whether you're doing it for you or you're doing it for someone else, put your heart into it and do it right. Okay? So today, I'm going to build a booster. I'm going to make a booster, an immune system booster. I'm going to tell you, I'm going to show you the steps. Guys, before you use this, or you decide you want to make an immune system builder like this, please speak to your doctor, because sometimes not everyone can handle certain things at certain times. So I will recommend you speaking to your doctor first before making this and using this. I use it. I don't know how it's going to work for you. But if you do your research about turmeric, ginger, garlic, and lemon, I'm sure you're going to get some great answer. So I'm going to just show you how I make my immune system build. A booster, help you feel strong. You know what I'm saying? Make you feel strong. When you get up, you feel like just jump up out your bed. All right? So, okay. So now we're working with lemons. We're working with lime. We're working with turmeric. We're working with ginger. We're working with garlic. Okay? So what I'm going to do, and how I do this, guys, everybody do their things different. Okay? How I do this, after I blend it, up, I have this that I pour. You see, this have a strainer. This have a strainer. So I put this right over there and I pour it in there and allow it to seep through for itself. Just seep through for itself and settle. Okay, so this is how I do it. You can do it different. You can do something different than a blender. You could use a juicer where you can just push it through and it just squeeze out the juice and leave the product behind. So just the juice gonna be squeezing through. Okay? But I'm gonna let it drain. I'm gonna let it drain. That's how I do it. Okay? So all right, guys. So let's get to it. Let's get to it. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna start cut up a few ginger, a few turmeric, and I also have some warm water in this that I'm gonna throw inside there to make it marinate a little more. Okay? All right. So let's get to it, guys. Everything already washed clean with warm water. So this is the turmeric I'm cutting up here. Do your research on turmeric and ginger and garlic. Do your own research. I'm not a doctor, so I don't really want to say too much about it. Yes, guys, you have to build your immune system. If your immune system is strong, it can fight, according to studies, it can fight bacteria, cold, and these things, virus. Okay? So I'm gonna show you how much I take a day. Okay? Because sometimes when you make these things, you cannot overdo it. You cannot overdo it and drink too much. Sometimes too much is good for nothing. So sometimes you wanna balance it out, that you can don't overdo it. So this is why. So I add the ginger. I'm going to cut the ginger. You ain't have to go crazy and cut it up fine, because this blender is going to surely take it to that level for you. All right, so I'm not going to do too much. I'm going to leave this for another batch because I don't want to make the video too long. Okay, so now the garlic. So I think we cut up like ½ pound of ginger and ½ pound of turmeric. And within that, we're going to use 6 pegs of garlic. And we're going to also use, let me use a different knife to cut this lemon. So we also have our lemon squeezer. So when we use the lemon squeezer, you know, we get all the juice, not just, yeah, lots of juice. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Like I said, guys, make sure you wash everything properly. Sanitize. You wash, rinse, and sanitize. It doesn't matter who you're doing it for. Make sure you do it right. The same way you will want it done for you, do it the same if you're doing it for someone else, okay? Okay, so that's 2 lemons, right? Now we're going to go with 1 lime. We're going to put 1 lime in this one. The good thing with the lemons, the lime squeezer, you know, you really get the juice. Uh-oh. You get the juice. Okay. All right. So, okay, guys. Now, what we're going to do now, we're going to add some water to this. I add warm water. You know what? So we add 2 cups of water. And guess what? Guess what we're going to add here? Oh, yes. We call this sea moss. Yeah. So we're going to add the sea moss as well. Yes, guys. All right, guys, let's see what's going on here. All right, so we add 2 cups of water. This is half cup, so we also add 4. So we add 2 cups of water, so it's very, very thick. So I'm gonna add a little more water and just pour it into this and let it just soak through. This thing is like fire. Smell very strong because everything in here grow natural. So that's 1 more cup, okay. I'm gonna pour half cup now. Okay. So let's go again. Alright guys, so like I said, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put it to soak through in this. I'm not squeezing anything, I'm just putting it there and allow everything to run out for itself. I'll leave it for like half an hour and just allow it to run out for itself. So the smell of this is wonderful. That's the look of it, guys. So what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna just leave this here for half an hour, and we're gonna happen, the juice gonna just run out for itself. I'm not squeezing it, I'm just allowing it to marinate and just run out for itself. It's already happening already. So what I want to do, guys, I want to show you what I use on morning. One of this is what I use on morning. I drink it on the morning and I'm good to go. All right, so let me show you. You see, it's already dripping already. All right, guys. This is it right there. And guess what? I'm going to take a shot. This thing is strong, guys. This thing is strong, but guess what? It's something good. Anything that not tastes good, gonna be good. What tastes good is sometimes we got to add sugar, salt, and all kind of stuff to it. So what happens is it defeats the purpose. So this is natural product. And even when I drain this, that doesn't mean I cannot use what's there. I can still use what's there. All right? So nothing throwing away, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because I have a lot of different recipe coming to you guys. Okay?